Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to take an in-depth look at the Ford E-350 fuses. The Ford E-350 has been a true road icon since its inception, dominating the pickup truck scene with its relentless power, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable design. Let's discuss the fuses of the Ford E-350. Fuse specification chart. Passenger compartment fuse box. Changing a fuse. If electrical components in the vehicle are not working, a fuse may have blown. Blown fuses are identified by a broken wire within the fuse. Check the appropriate fuses before replacing any electrical components. Identifying fuse types. A. Micro 2. B. Micro 3. C. Maxi. D. Mini. E. M case. FAJ case. GEJ case low profile. H. Slotted M case. Troubleshooting. When do I need to check a fuse? If electrical components in the vehicle are not working. When do I need to replace a fuse? If a fuse has blown. How do I identify a blown fuse? You can identify a blown fuse by a broken wire within the fuse. Instructions. Do not work on a hot engine. Make sure that nothing gets caught in moving parts. Only work on a vehicle with the engine running in an enclosed space if you have enough ventilation. Keep all open flames and other burning material, such as cigarettes, away from the battery and all fuel-related parts. Set the parking brake, shift the transmission to park, P, and block the wheels. We hope this video is informative for you, and if you like this video please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.